Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your English language class. Now today's topic is lesson 21 and translation. So all of you take your English language book, that means Enjoying Grammar book, and go to lesson 21. That means page number 68. All of you go to page number 68. It will be helpful for you. So let's start our class today. Okay, lesson 21, and this lesson is on prepositions. That means we will know about the prepositions today. And prepositions are the words that tell us about the position of someone or something. That means where is the person, or where is the animal, or where is the thing like chair, table, etc. So read this passage. Okay, let's read this passage. What is written there? Rohim and his parents were going on a journey. Now look, there is a picture in your book. Rohim and his parents were going on a journey. Their bags were on top of the car. Their car broke down on the way. They called a mechanic. Look, the mechanic is under the car. Now look, the mechanic is under the car. He is trying to repair the car. Rohim is standing behind the car. Now Rohim is behind the car. His mother is standing near him. So now look, his mother is standing near him. His father is waiting in front of the car. Now his father is waiting in front of the car. The driver is sitting in the car. And now look at this driver, he is in the car. A crow is flying over the car. Now the crow is flying over the car. There is a cat between the car and the tree. Now look, there is a cat between the car and the tree. So now look, the words in color, that means it's given in your book. Now my dear students, all of you, look at your book. The words in pink color, that means this preposition. Okay, let's mark here, like on, then under, now look, and behind, then near, in front of, now look, then between, over. These words tell us the position of the person or the things. Now look, their bags were on the top of the car. So where is their bag? On the top of the car. So the word on tell us about the things, that means like the bags. Now look, the mechanic is under the car. So the word under tell us about the position of the mechanic, that means the person. Now look, Rohim is standing behind the car. So the word behind tells us about the position of Rohim. And now look, his mother is standing near him. So the word near tells us about the position of Rohim's mother. And his father is waiting in front of the car. Now look, this is a group of words, that means words make the preposition, they tell us about the position of Rohim's father. And now look, a crow is flying over the car. Now the crow is moving. So the word over tells us about the crow which is moving. And now look, there is a cat between the car and the tree. Now look, the word between tells us about the cat. So the words, those words in your book in pink color, or those underlined words, tell us about the position of the person or the animals or the things. So the words in color are prepositions. So these words are called prepositions. Prepositions are words that tell us about the position of someone or something. These words tell us where someone or something is. So these words tell us where someone or something is. That means they tell us about the position. Now we will go to exercise in your book. And now look, we will do exercise 1 and exercise 4 from this lesson. Now look, exercise 1, look at the pictures and complete these sentences with the prepositions in the box. So there are some prepositions in this box, and we will fill up, we will complete those sentences with those prepositions. So what are the prepositions given in this box? Now look: on, in, inside, next to, behind, in front of. So there are 6 sentences, and how many prepositions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look, they are prepositions. 2 words. A group of words make one preposition. They act like one preposition. Okay, first one has been done for you in your book. The people are inside the bus. Now look, in your book, the people are inside the bus. Now look at this picture. The people are inside the bus. And now look, the butterfly is, now look at this position, the butterfly is on the flower. And the cow is, now look, there is the cow. So which one will be there? Now look, the cow is, so it is almost near. So we will write here next to, the cow is next to the tree. The blue car is dash the red car. Now look at the position of the blue car. The blue car is behind the red car. The book is dash Shreya. So the book is in front of Shreya. And now look, the dog is, so here is the dog, so in the kennel. And kennel means the house of the dog, where the dog lives. So these words tell us about the positions, where someone or something is. Okay, let's do the exercise. So number 1 has been done. The people are inside the car, and we will use the word inside or in when there is an enclosed area. So now look, the bus is an enclosed area, so we will write here inside. The people are inside the bus. Now look, the butterfly is dash the flower. So now we will write here on, and we use the preposition on when something touch the surface. When something touch the surface. So now look, the butterfly touch the surface of the flower. So there will be on. Now the cow is dash the tree. Now look, they are close to each other. So we will write here. Now look, we use 2 prepositions. Now we will write here next to. Next to or near. But here the preposition near is not given here. So we will write here next to. The cow is next to the tree. Now the blue car is dash the red car. So the blue car is behind the red car. And now look, the book is dash Shreya. Now look, the book is before Shreya, so it will be in front of. In front of. So this is done. Now the dog is dash the kennel. Now only one preposition left, so it will be in. The dog is in the kennel, and this house is an enclosed area. Now we will go to our next exercise. So all of you go to exercise number 4, page number 71. So this is page number 71. So what is in there? Look at the picture and complete these sentences with prepositions from the box. So we need to look at the picture. Now all of you go to your open your book, go to page number 71. Now look at this picture. There is a colorful picture in your book, and there are some prepositions: behind, in front of, near, in, over, into, on. Now look, first one has been done for you. Nisha is in the garden. She has her eyes closed. Now Nisha is in the garden. Now this girl is Nisha, and she has her eyes closed. She is standing in front of the tree. Now look, she is standing in front of this tree. So this is her position. Now Neha is peeping from dash a bench in the garden. Peeping from, now look, there is a bench. This is Neha. So Neha is peeping from behind the behind a bench in the garden. Now number 3, Shruti is standing dash the fountain. So now look at this fountain. So here is Shruti. So Shruti is close, near or next to. So there is the word near. So we'll write here near. Shruti is standing near the fountain. Now number 4, look, Rahul is dash the tree. So now look, Rahul is dash the tree. Now look, there is the Rahul, and Rahul is on the tree. Now number 5, Amina is hiding dash the rose bushes. So now look, Amina is hiding. Now this is the rose bushes So there is the amina, so it will be into. So when we when you move from outside to inside, it will be into. Now number 6, father is walking, there's the garden. So father is walking in the garden. Now look, in the garden is an enclosed area here. And now number 7, Sheru is jumping, there's the wall. Now Sheru is jumping, that means he is moving, and the so it will be over the wall. So when do you use over? When the object is moving and it going over anything else, we will use here moving. So let's do the exercise. Now look, first one has been done. Nisha is in the garden, she has her eyes closed, she is standing in front of the tree. So Neha is peeping from dash a bench in the garden. So there is a Neha, so it will be behind. So we have used 2 prepositions now. Number 3, Shruti is standing dash the fountain. So there is a Shruti, so it will be near. Shruti is standing near the fountain. Number 4, look, Rahul is dash the tree. So here is the Rahul. So Rahul is on the tree. The Amina is hiding, there is the rose bushes. So there is Amina, so it will be into, because he go outside from outside to inside this bush. So it will be into. Number 6, father is walking, there is the garden. So father is walking in the garden. So it will be in. Now only one preposition left. Number 7, Sheru is jumping, so over the wall. Sheru is the name of this dog. Now look, Sheru is jumping over the wall. So this is exercise 1 and 4 from lesson 21. All of you will go through this exercise. At first you will read the passage and you will try to understand which preposition you will use in this, fill in the blanks, and all of you practice it, and I hope you have understood this lesson. Now we will go to our next topic. That means today we will do some translation, Bangla to English. Now look, there are 10 translation and those are very easy. So we will translate Bangla to English. So there are 10 Bangla sentences and we will translate them into English. Now look, number 1, আমি প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাই। আমি প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাই। It will be I go to school every day. And প্রতিদিন English every day. Okay? And যাই English go. So I, and আমি English I. We know this. So আমি প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাই। I go to school every day. Now number 2, তোমার সকালে ওঠা উচিত। So you should get up early. You should get up early. Number 2, তোমার সকালে ওঠা উচিত। You should get up early. So সকালে ওঠা, that means get up early. Now number 3, আজিম ভালো ইংরেজি বলে। Number 3, আজিম ভালো ইংরেজি বলে। আজিম speaks English well. So ইংরেজি বলা means speaks, and we know that ইংরেজি will be English and ভালো বলে means well. So আজিম speaks English well. Now number 4, ক্লাসে গোলমাল করো না। ক্লাসে গোলমাল করো না। Do not make noise in the class. Do not make, it will be do not make a noise. That is the correction. Do not make a noise in the class. So now look, class e golmal korona, do not make a noise in the class. So golmal korona means do not make a noise. So golmal kora, English, making noise. So it will be do not make a noise in the class. Number 5, Allah tomar shohay hon. Number 5, Allah tomar shohay hon. So it will be may Allah help you. So when you make a wish, we will say may in front of the sentence. And now look, Allah tomar shohay hon means help you. So Allah tomar shohay hon, Allah, may Allah help you. Number 6, পাখিটি কি সুন্দর, পাখিটি কি সুন্দর. So it is an expression of your joy or surprise. So it is we will give an exclamation mark here. So translation will be how fine the bird is, and we will also give an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. How fine the bird is. পাখিটি কি সুন্দর. Number 7, চাঁদ রাতে আলো দেয়, চাঁদ রাতে আলো দেয়. Translation will be the moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. আলো দেয় means shines. আলো দেয় English shines. So it will be the moon shines at night. Number 8, পদ্মা একটি বড় নদী, পদ্মা একটি বড় নদী. So the English will be the Padma is a big river. The Padma is a big river. একটি বড় নদী will be a big river. And the name of this in Bangla it is Padma, and in English it is Padma, P-A-D-M-A. Be careful about this spelling. Now number 9, সূর্য পূর্ব দিকে উদিত হয়, সূর্য পূর্ব দিকে উদিত হয়. It will be the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. So সূর্য আমরা we know সূর্য English the sun, and পূর্ব দিকে means east, উদিত হয় that means rise. So the sun rises in the east. Number 10, বাংলা আমাদের মাতৃভাষা, বাংলা আমাদের মাতৃভাষা. So Bangla is our mother tongue. So মাতৃভাষা English mother tongue. So it will be Bangla is our mother tongue. So there are 10 translation in this term, that means for your half yearly. So all of you will learn those 10 translation, and you will do 1 to 5 as your homework. Now look, there is homework number 13, translation 1 to 5. So you will do 1 to 5, translation 1 to 5. Okay, so you will learn translation 1 to 10, and you will do translation 1 to 5. Follow this instruction, 1 to 5. I repeat, your translation homework will be 1 to 5. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will go through lesson 21. You will practice at your home, and if you have any question or any inquiries or any confusion regarding this topic, you will ask it to your subject teacher in your live class, and you can also call your subject teacher, and all of you will learn this translation which are given today, and you will do number 1 to 5 as your homework. So dear students, all of you listen to your parents and study regularly. See you again.